Look at that. We're live, just like that. Woohoo!
Just like that. Woo!
Good morning. It's Wild Ass Wednesday. We are loaded up and taking off for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. If you look closely, we have snacks and things in the middle. Look at the van. We're loaded up to exercise on the way. Van is loaded, like I said, to the roof right there. All loaded up in the Wild Ass van. Make sure you watch for this thing. You won't see all of this awesomeness inside because the doors are going to be closed and we're going to be rolling down the freeway. We got one stop on the way. Got the bike loaded up. All kinds of stuff in here. Got our big, huge fans new for this year. Tools, everything we need for the trip. We're going to make it. We're going to be at Exit 55 this weekend with all this stuff to take care of you in Sturgis. We'll see you guys there. Good luck. Ride safe.